is about the work that you will do as a fresh graduate, or even as an intern. If you're working with a senior who goes to brief a senior counsel, if you're there, then also it's relevant. And if you're working in a senior counsel's office, obviously you will have to know this whole system. Even as an intern, if you are working with a Supreme Court, interning with a Supreme Court lawyer, which happens right in second year, third year, people do these internships. So then this whole system that Sanchita is talking about will be very helpful for you. It'll help to go in prepared. Second thing is that if you're working with a senior who's in the high courts, then also, because they will be frequently referring matters to senior advocates at the Supreme Court, okay, this will be very relevant. So this is not some alien stuff that we are talking.
Right. So client is yours, so choice is yours. So you need to
If you have
select.
the client, then all the work in the Supreme Court is can be done by you. If the client says, "Sir, aap argue kar dena," you can argue also. Only the filing of the case has to be done through an advocate on record. Okay, somebody who has cracked the advocate on record exam and has been admitted to being an advocate on record after that by the Supreme Court registrar, I believe.
Chambers, judge,
Chambers,
chamber
by
judge,
the Supreme Court.
judge in chambers. Yeah.
Yeah. So then that's the only place where you need the advocate on record for. And the reason a senior counsel is involved is a lot of times matters are high stakes and clients insist that we need a senior counsel here. So then the senior counsel is involved, but that doesn't mean that the work is going to be done by the senior counsel. The work has to be done by you if you are briefing and if the client is yours. And that's an opportunity. Basically, see, all the time lawyers keep saying that, clients are negotiating fees, not giving us money, not recognizing our value. So how do you add more value? You add more value by doing difficult things, by managing the matter end to end, by being harder to replace. How do you become harder to replace? If you say, मैं trial court करता हूँ, somebody will do high court, another person will do Supreme Court. After trial court, I am gone. You brief somebody else. The client has the whole headache of briefing a high court lawyer, then a Supreme Court lawyer, and the client has to remember that the high court lawyer knows the earlier stage, the Supreme Court lawyer knows the earlier facts, all of that. So that's where one lawyer who was there from the trial court stage and who can coordinate the whole work will come in very handy. And now so it's even easier, more cost effective for clients because everything happens virtually. Hearings are happening virtually, briefing is happening virtually. Okay. So please remember that this is super important.